Hey everybody, today I'm going to show you how to set up Scan to Folder on a Windows computer for any Sharp copier. So to start, we're going to create a folder. We'll just right-click the desktop, go to New Folder, and then just name it whatever you'd like. I'll call it New Scans. All right, and then once you have that done, go ahead and right-click the folder and go to Properties. Go to the Sharing tab and hit Share. Make sure that you're listed here either as the owner, or if you're not the owner and you have a separate user account, you click the drop-down menu and you should be listed here. And then select Read Write Permissions for the permissions level. All right, and then go ahead and hit Share and then hit Done. Come down to Advanced Sharing. If you get prompted for a username and password, that means you need admin rights, so you may need to reach out to IT department for help. Make sure that the checkbox is checked here for the share folder. Then come down to Permissions. Make sure that your user account is listed here with full control. If not, you can click Add, and then type in your username here and hit OK. And then it should auto-find you and add you to this list. All right, go ahead and hit OK, and then close. And then we're to come down here to the network. And we're going to right-click and go to Network and Internet Settings. Make sure here under the Properties you are under Private Network. If not, select Private. And then go ahead and close out. All right, and then from here we're going to go ahead and get the IP address for the copier. If you don't know it, there'll be a video below that'll show you how to grab that IP address. All right, once you have it, go ahead and open up your web browser. You're going to type that IP address into the top here and hit Enter, and that'll bring you to the status page. Looks like this. Go ahead and hit the address book, and then you're going to click Add. Go ahead and type your name in here. I'll put a Novatech. And then down here we're going to go to Network Folder. And the network folder path is going to be the path for the folder. So go ahead and right-click the folder and go to Properties. And you see how this is the location. Come out to the Share, and then copy and paste this into that section. Right, and you're going to put in your username, then hit Change Password and put in your password for your account. This is the account that you use on the computer itself. If you want to change the file type that it scans into, you can change that here, but for most people, PDF is fine. And then once you have all that filled out, go ahead and hit Submit. And that's it. Now you are registered in the copier with your scan folder. You can go ahead and go to the copier and choose the scanning option. Pick yourself out from the address book and test scan. If it works, you're all done. If it doesn't work, I have one quick fix that may help you. You may need to change the host name here to the IP address of your computer. And you can grab that IP address by coming here, typing in cmd, and then the command is ipconfig. And then hit Enter, and that will give you your IPv4 address. And so then you can replace that with the host name here. Sometimes that'll help. All right. Thanks for watching.